Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of WooCommerce. So today we are going to learn about how to show the product category in the cart page. So one you can see that one of my subscribers asked me to do that on that video, so you can see that how about add product category above the product title in the cart page as well as the checkout page, right? So today we are doing the cart page, right? And we will try to resolve his query. So I have already done this part, like how to show the product category on the cart page. So let's have a look on that. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like it. Okay, so let's get started. So how we are going to do, how to add product category above the product title in the cart page. Okay, so let's here we go. Okay, so here this is, you can see that this is the product, right? And its category is women, right? And the category is women. If I go to the cart, right, and you can see that I have made a new field that is product category, and here I have shown the women category, right? So how we are going to accomplish this task, right? So let's go to the code level. So here we go. So you can see that here we have a card.php file which is in your WooCommerce templates. I'm not overriding right now. I have just go to the plugin and do the stuff. You can override in your theme. Okay, that's very important. So here you can see that. So where we have this part, right, from WooCommerce before card table, right? I have added a one field that is product category. Okay, wherever it is VC cart get cards, because here all the information of the cart and we have the product ID over here, right? So what I did is just I have just loop it out. Okay, here you can see that I have just loop it out here. Tab like this, control tab, no this, okay, shift, it's okay, no issues. Okay, fine. So here we have just for each the terms and get the term product category term name. Okay, and the product cat, here we have created a new div. Okay, where we go with this one, we have new div with the product category. Okay, and this, and before we have added this one, right? This is the thing that we have added. Save this. You can see that now we are able to show the product category, any of that. Let's take an example of any of them. Go to the home page. Okay, so where we go with the home page, shop page is there. So let's go to the category women. So here we go with this one, not this. Go to the shop, this part, women category. Go to the cloud base, login. No, this not. So here we have the where we go with this part, WooCommerce product categories. Here we're going with the women view. So you can see that all the categories of the menu here. So we are going, this is accessories, right? If I go and check it out, this is accessories men in the women categories assigned. So I'm going to add this cart. Okay, let's go to the cart. So here you can see that this is also fall in the woman category. So here we go with accessories. This is also in the women category. This is the last category. If you want that whole category is gonna be, because it's there, if you want the all the categories to be like there in the form of like comma separated, then we can also do that part, right? So in that you have a query, any issue in that, just let me know in the comment section. If you want that all the categories should be shown in that cart page, please do write me in a comment section also. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video and supporting me. Have a great day.